There we go. Well, here we are up to Tom and Donnas today. Say hi, Tom.
Good morning. Top of the morning. Beautiful morning.
We're up here to check out this thing of package bees. It's been about a month now. I checked 2 weeks ago and they did have eggs going. So we're up here. The weather's been wicked bad. I mean, we had snow on Saturday. It was 45 degrees and windy on Sunday, and it didn't get much better for the rest of the week. Ooh, whoa. That came right up real quick like that. Let's put some smoke on these guys. Let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. 9 trays. Looks like they might have a...
It's still pollen up at the top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's still a honey tray that came with the hive. I put these guys into a dead hive, so they didn't have to really do much work other than lay. Yeah, another honey tray. What we got going on over here? Yeah. You see that? It's just a honey tray. That's all capped honey. And today, still, we're just looking for the queen. We should have emerging brood. We got some drones in here. Oh, we got cat brood there. And that's not a good sign. See that right there? That's an eaten out queen cell. So it looks like they pulled their, they might have superseded this queen.
A live queen cell?
It is a hatched queen cell. It has been hatched and eaten out, and they're getting rid of it right now. That's not a good sign. See, most package bees, if you don't put in a tray of brood with them, they'll supersede their queen. But we got emerging, there's an, oh, we've got drones. I'm not seeing any eggs. I'm not seeing any eggs. We got emerging brood. You still got cat brood. Ah, good. That's not what they should have done, but it's not a surprise. I got an extra queen at home that I bought just in case something like this happened. We got another eaten out queen cell. See that right there?
You're saying the queen is dead?
Well, it looks like they made numerous supersedure cells. And the first one that hatches will go around and kill all the others. Yeah, look at that. There's another one right there. So this hive superseded their queen. We still got cat brood. I haven't seen any eggs. And I haven't seen a queen. So right now, she's been hatched. So they probably did that real quick, like, as soon as I put them in. Is this? All right, so I'm saying these guys right now.
You saw the queen last time you were here.
Yep. So they had her lay up the hive, and then they took and made supersedure cells and had her lay in them, and then they killed her. Because there is no soft brood, there is no eggs, and there are hatched queen cells.
So you bring up another queen, it's a nifty chance anyways, right?
Well, I think right now, I'm gonna wait. I'm still gonna make that other hive with that queen, unless something, and give these guys another week, because there's at least 3 or 4 trays of hatch brood in here. I'm gonna take this right out because there's plenty of pollen. Actually, I'll just leave it over here. Let's take a look in the bottom of this. So the first year I was a beekeeper, I had the same thing happen to me with package bees. But instead of going through and seeing what was going on, I saw those queen cells and I said, whoa, wait right there. And I killed all the queen cells. And killed my hive. Because at the end of the time, and after I realized what had happened, it was too late, because I'd killed all the queen cells. They had no eggs to make any more queen cells. Oh, that's a lot of honey. So this is all pollen. Looks like they're bringing in nectar because we got the dandelions in bloom right now coming into it. So it's just nectar, old honey trays. So right now I'm going to keep this configuration going. So we got cat brood down here. And when I see new fresh bees, so if we get another population, it's just going to put this hive back. Because she's probably born. Yeah, this is all cat brood or cat brood. She was born and she'll go out mating this week, which is a good week starting now. Yeah, this is all cat brood, just emerged. So we're getting another population of bees in here. So I don't think we have to worry about that. They got plenty of food. I'll keep an eye on these guys. We may have to add some brood to them later on, maybe in a week. But they got enough bees to keep this hive going. And they're bringing in pollen, and they're bringing in nectar. So, that's that.
Usually by now we've got maple blossom.
What's that, Tom?
Usually have apple blossom by
Yeah, everything's late this year because it's just been so cold. You can blame it on that polar vortex. Made a late appearance this year. Bad bees, you killed your queen. All right, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.